Ow.
Sit down.
Eric, look at me.
Sit down and play in it, Eric. Y'all sit down in the mud. Sit down in the mud.
I'll sit down.
Sit down right there. JJ, go over there and sit down.
Here, JJ.
Go sit. Did it have rocks in it?
No. Not all of it. They did a little.
JJ, come here.
Damien, go.
He's over there cleaning off. JJ, come here. No, you're not going in the house. Come here. Go over there. Go over there and clean off. Go over to the water and clean off. You're not very clean.
Dirty. I want to be dirty.
Well, sit down there in that mud and play in it.
Here, watch this. Do this.
Can you do that, Eric? Swim in the mud. No? Sit down in it. Sit down, JJ. Jessica, see if you can get JJ to sit down.
Here, JJ, come here. Look at this. Watch. Come here, JJ, come here.
He says no. Caitlin, Caitlin, take him to her.
JJ, come here. Come here. Come here, mud butt.
Oh, God. Is he okay?
Come here.